In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable auto-apply recommendations in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the sidebar and look for Admin. Click on it. Then, in Admin Settings, click on Account Settings. Now, in Account Settings, scroll down until you find the Auto Apply option. Click and expand it. You'll see a list of recommendation categories. We need to make sure they're all turned off. To do that, just click Go to Auto Apply Settings. Then, in Auto Apply Settings, you'll find two options: Maintain your ads and Grow your business. Expand and turn off all the categories you don't want Google to apply automatically. Google Ads will no longer automatically apply recommendations to your account. And that's it. That's how you disable Google Ads auto-apply recommendations. Thanks for watching.